Well, hey you guys, welcome back to the Canning Nana. So I just want to show you that I am dehydrating more sourdough starter. I have it going. It's going really well. These are my 2 jars. I've condensed it down into 2 jars now. And this is what I have. And I am dehydrating like crazy because I have so many people like you emailing me at thecanningnana.com or thecanningnana@gmail.com. There are so many people emailing me and letting me know that they want some of this and to try it, and I will be sending it out probably the end of this week. It will start going out. I'm really excited about that. So I'm doing a lot of that and just wanted to show you how it starts. I have gloves and do not touch this. It comes out of the jars, which are right there, and goes directly onto the mat, which directly goes into the Excalibur dehydrator, which dehydrates all of these sourdough starters, and I give you full directions on how to do it. I am looking forward to this. I cannot wait to see how my testers like it first. Looking forward to hearing from them, and we will go from there. There are lots of stuff, lots of videos coming up, and especially the 5,500 subscriber giveaway. We are so excited for that. We have a lot of canning and dehydrating videos in store. One of the biggest things is the what I will and will not can video is going to be updated with a brand new video, and the what I will and will not dehydrate video is also going to be updated. It's been 3 years since I did either of those, so I am looking forward to that, as well as doing a pantry update video because my pantry is nearly organized, I should say, and ready to show you guys what I do. So we will go from there. I will talk to you soon. Thank you, everybody. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and hit the bell. The bell gives you the first look at all of my uploaded videos as soon as I upload them. Also, in order to be eligible to receive a gift from the contest and giveaway that I'm about to have for 5,500 subscribers, you do have to be subscribed to my channel. That is a requirement. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe now. You can always unsubscribe, but I hope you'll stay. I hope you'll like what you see and stay a while. You know, I've had viewers from since I started 3 years ago, and I am very thankful to all of you, grateful to all of your support. You guys know who you are. You've stuck by me for 3 years, and it's been a good ride. It really has. I will see you guys soon, and more videos to come. Thank you. Have a great night, guys.